For 3 Excel tips, keep watching. First, to auto-fit columns automatically, click on your sheet and select View Code. Click on the drop-down and select Worksheet. Insert this and exit the program for the changes to take form. Second, to import data from a picture to your worksheet, right-click on the image and select Cut. Select the Data tab at the top, and at this drop-down, select Picture from Clipboard. At the pop-up, wait for it to finish analyzing, and then select Insert Data. Third, to condense and auto-fit your data, select your headers, and under the Home tab, select the Orientation button to angle it counterclockwise. Then auto-fit by selecting the corner of your cells and double-click the edge of column A. There you have it. Hope this helps.